Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create and set up a game in Among Us, really new, popular game. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Among Us, and you're just going to click on Online. Once you're here, you're just going to enter any name you want. I'm just going to use that name right here, and you want to click on Host, and then Create Game. Now you're probably going to want two imposters, which is what most people use, and you can change this to any language you want, or you can have it on other, and you're going to just select the number of players you want. I'm going to go with 10, confirm. And right here is the code you can send to your friends for them to join your game. So now you're going to click customize, and you can go to anything in here to change your character. And then instead, to change the game, you're going to want to go to game in the top right, and you're just going to want to click on all these settings. So I'm going to not have recommended settings on, and I'm going to show you what is very popular with like streamers and YouTubers and stuff like that, and what each of them means. So confirm ejects will tell you if someone was an imposter when they're ejected. A lot of people don't like to have this on, but if you're new, you probably should have it on. Emergency meetings, one per person is enough. Emergency cooldown, 15 seconds. That works. You can go to 10 seconds. A lot of people use that. Discussion time, 15 seconds works as well, as long as you have a long enough voting time, because most of the time that's also used for discussion. Just have it as long as you want. I think this works as well at a total 135 seconds. Player speed, a lot of people like to use higher speeds, but I personally think that it does not work as well. Crewmate vision, I recommend putting this on 0.75 for almost everyone. However, if you play this game a lot, 0.5 is good way to go in my opinion as well. Imposter vision on 1.5 works. Kill cooldown at 45 seconds is kind of long, kind of easy to beat if you just want to go with that and do your task really fast. So I would recommend putting on 30 seconds. Kill distance medium, that works. I personally don't think it matters too much, but medium works as well. Visual task, I would turn that off because that's an easy way to get innocent people and make the game too easy. For common tasks, you can do one or two. I wouldn't do more than that. Well, you can't do more than that, but I would always have one or two. And for long tasks and short tasks, depending on how many people you have, you should change this up. But for I would add in at least another short task, and no matter what, I would say you should always have a long task. You should just make the game long enough. It really depends on the skill level of your team and your players. If you're playing in a random game, then you should probably change it so that it's for easier players. Now, in order to make the game public, you just click on this private, and now people can join the game however they want, just randomly and without the code. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe.